Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here. Today we're going to be taking a look at some cases here from Casetify for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now I do got to give a huge thanks and shout out to Casetify for sponsoring this video. But even though they are sponsoring this video, all thoughts and opinions are still my own. Now I do got to say, there's two things that I really like about Casetify cases. And if you've been part of the channel for a while, you'll know that one of those things is the protection they offer your device. I mean, I've done tons of drop tests here on the channel, with Casetify cases on my device, with several devices, and my phone always comes out still looking like brand new. They provide amazing protection for your device, but not only are they super protective cases, but I mean, as you can see here, they offer tons of different styles. I mean, and this is only 4 that I have here in my hands, but if you go on their website, they offer tons and tons and tons of different styles for their cases, for pretty much any device that they have these cases available for. And the list goes on and on. I mean, you can sit there forever going through the different styles that they have available for their cases here. And one of the cool things is, say you just don't seem to find anything that you like. Well, you can also customize your own. As you can see, I got one right here with my initials on it, JQ, and that is actually one that was customized specifically for me. You can customize it with your name or whatever you want to write on the back. Maybe you want to put a specific picture in the back. So not only do they offer tons of different styles, tons of different designs, but you can also pretty much create your own design for your case and, make it nice and personal and show that it's your case for your device. But today we're going to be looking at these for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. These do offer up to 5 feet of protection for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, which in my opinion, I mean, it's good enough, especially for a folding device like this. I mean, you're not going to want to drop it from anything higher than 5 feet. I mean, why would you have your phone way up here, or why are you going to be throwing it up? Especially, a foldable device. These can be, a bit more fragile than, your normal candy bar phone. So, up to 5 feet of drop protection. In my opinion, I mean, that's pretty good. So if we look to that outer display, we're getting a nice deep cutout all around that bigger outer display that we now get on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. But not only for that, we also get some great protection for the 2 outer camera lenses and the flash. So looking around those camera lenses, you still got a nice deep cutout for those lenses. So if you do happen to accidentally drop it closed flat down on its back, or even open like this, flat down on its back, you're getting enough lift for that outer display, the outer camera lenses, and that flash to where, if you accidentally drop it on a flat surface, it's not gonna touch that flat surface and risk getting damaged. Or even if you just set it down, slide it around, you don't have to worry about that outside display getting scratched. So if you're someone who doesn't really like to put, screen protectors on your device, this will give you enough lift, to prevent that outer display from getting damaged. Now, the cool thing about these cases is that they are actually a one-piece case. They have just a little piece right in the middle of the fold, keeping this whole case together and then keeping it nice, secure on your device as well. It hugs it really nice, so the phone's not gonna fall out if you do happen to accidentally drop it with this case on. It's definitely not a flimsy case, but it's not a super bulky case either. It's just enough thickness to give your device that protection that you need. Fully covers the back of the device, or the bottom, depending how you hold it, it's gonna, cover that whole backing all around the sides. There is an opening for that power button and fingerprint sensor, so you can easily access it and, use that fingerprint sensor if you decide to do so. The covers for the buttons are actually nice and responsive, nice and clicky, as you can hear here in the microphone. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, and they respond very well. Going over to the left side, there's no openings there. They got 2 little holes though for a lanyard. So if you want to throw a lanyard on this, maybe carry it around your wrist or maybe your pocket or a bag or something, you can go ahead and do that if you want. Now, there is no hinge protector when the case is closed. Some people might not like that. Some people might not care, because when you do open it up, it does protect that hinge when the device is fully open, but when it is closed, it is exposed. So what do y'all think? Let me know what you think down in the comments for that. But when you do have the device completely open like this, you're getting just enough lift for that inside display. So, I mean, honestly, with any case, I really wouldn't recommend, trying to drop your phone flat down, or face down, I should say, with, any display, especially if there's rocks on the floor, because I mean, with any case, a rock can just, boom, get that display. But if you do happen to accidentally drop it, there's still a nice little lift there, or maybe you just set it down on a flat surface, slide it around or something. It should give it just enough lift to where it's not gonna touch that flat surface and it's going to prevent that inside display from getting scratched. But like I said, definitely doesn't add too much bulk to your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Still keeps it nice and compact. It's easily going to fit in your pocket, maybe a bag, a purse. Feels good in the hand, and especially when you slam the phone, I mean, it has that a nice solid sound to it. It's got a nice solid sound, so it doesn't feel like you're gonna break that inside display either if you do happen to slam your Galaxy Z Flip 5 like that. Because sometimes you want to talk on the phone and be like, you know what, and then you just hang up on someone. Well, this case is going to prevent your phone from getting any damage. So yes, the Casetify case. And one other thing that provides your device some good protection when it comes to this case is actually on the inside of the case. We're getting some extra cushion all around the corners that does absorb that impact if you do happen to drop it on the corner or on its side. It's got little ridges in there and it helps absorb that impact. So kind of giving you some extra drop protection there, which is really, really nice. And it makes me not really have to worry about, accidentally dropping my Galaxy Z Flip 5 as you just saw there. And I mean, the phone looks good to me. Still looking like brand new. Now, wireless charging and reverse wireless charging is compatible with these cases right here. We're still getting good cutouts down at the bottom. If you have the phone fully closed, the top and the bottom are both considered the bottom. Got precise cutouts for the microphone, the speaker, and that charging port. Now, another cool thing about Casetify cases is that kind of all about saving the environment. So they actually have a program where you can send your cases in and recycle them through Casetify, and their cases are actually made from other recycled cases. And it even says that on their case here on the side, this case is made from recycled phone cases. But the funny thing is that it really doesn't look or feel like it's made from recycled phone cases. They actually, I mean, like I said, they feel pretty good in the hand, and you can't really tell until you finally read that print on the side. But I mean, that's just another cool thing about Casetify, just in case you were wondering. But if you do find yourself interested in a Casetify case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 to make sure it stays protected, and maybe you want to add some extra style, whether it's from the tons of different styles they have to choose from, or maybe you want to create one yourself and make it look the way you want it to look. I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below, my own special link, which will also get you a little special deal. So make sure to check out the link if you do want to check out a Casetify case for yourself, for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, to make sure to keep it protected and looking good. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.